No. I mean,
In reception, yeah.
no. We move out at 8:15.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
we having breakfast now.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright guys, we just arrived here at the temple in Ubud. So now we're waiting for the dance, like their culture dancings. So I can show you guys the view here. Done the show. Yeah, the show is quite good, like a story of this temple. So we are going to next destinations. We'll show you guys where we're going. Arrived at a waterfall, so we are heading to the waterfall now. Alright guys, now just now was a waterfall, but now we are go on top of waterfall. So see how amazing it is, the waterfall. But now the season is, the water is not really good because it's raining season, so it's really unlucky for us. This place absolutely amazing. How do you feel, bro? Awesome. We're tired, and because we climbed really high, go on top here, and this is what I got. If you work hard, you will got something. just arrived like holy spring called Tita Empu. So we're gonna go in there and shower with the holy water. And also just now we just having like a their their own coffee making, and that's quite good, not really bad. But I'm not coffee drinking, so I not really like that. Alright guys, we just done for the
blessing.
yeah, the blazing water called Holy Spring, and now we're heading to the next place.
That's all.
I just arrived here at the Galalang. It's like, if you guys know, in at Bali they have like, the place is like really a lot of slices, but I can show to you guys. Yeah, it's like the Galalang, and but I don't think the view is pretty nice yet, because there's a lot of tree was hiding the view. So we are deciding like take few photo here and going back. Alright guys, we just arrived here at Tanalot. So it's a really long journey from the holy spring called oh, I forgot the place, and let's check it out. Alright guys, we just get back to the hotel. Have a really nice day today. So that's all I think for the vlog for today, because we are really tired, super tired, because the sun is hot and we still hydrated. We really tired and we need to rest. So that's all for today's vlog. And make sure you guys like and subscribe my channel, and also can follow our Instagram, me and my friend. So see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Help me help you. Girl, what you tryna do? Cause I don't got a clue. No, I ain't no Scooby-Doo. Help me help you.